In this video, I will show you how to change age in Brawl Stars. So let's jump straight into it. So in Brawl Stars, in the actual game, there's not actually an option in the settings where you can change your age. Now to go ahead and do this, what you're going to want to do is actually contact the Brawl Stars support team. To do that, go ahead and open up a new internet browser and come across to Google and just go ahead and type Brawl Stars contact form. Just like so, and then go ahead and search for this. Now it should be the top result. You just want to go ahead and press onto that. So that should take you to a page like this. It may ask you to log in if you're not already, but what you're going to basically want to do is press onto the category box, then go ahead and select something else. Next, what you need to do is put your player tag and your email address, and then you just want to type the following into the message box. So what I've put is, I have entered my age wrong accidentally. Can you help me fix this issue? Thanks. And then once that's done, just press to do the human verification underneath. And once that's done, just go ahead and press the blue submit button at the bottom. So once you've done that, they're going to send an email across to the email that's linked to your account, which is going to be their email in the form just here. So you just want to keep an eye on your email and they'll go ahead and help you to change your Brawl Stars age. So that is how to change age in Brawl Stars. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.